Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome everyone to my channel again. It's Mr. Kamal speaking. Welcome to explain more about the motion in one dimension. Okay, in the last session we take the displacement and we talked about all of things about the displacement, and we talked about the displacement sometimes can be negative or positive and like that, and we talked about all of the things about the displacement and how can we count the displacement and like that. Let's make the simple revision about the displacement before starting to compare between displacement and distance. At first, that displacement is a change in position. The displacement not always equal the distance traveled, okay, and displacement is measured by meters. That is the SI unit for displacement, okay, and also this displacement not equal the distance. We have difference between both of them. Look for this table we have here. This table will compare between displacement and distance. We will take just the most important point to understand the difference between displacement and distance. At first, the distance, it will be actually the length of path, all of the way the body will move for that, okay, all of the length of path. Okay, what does it mean? It means like that if we have an object and walk like that, okay, all of these walking, suppose that walk it will be 10 kilometers, okay, all of that walking is called distance, okay, but the displacement, it will be the shortest distance from the starting point to the end point. I need you to focus in this word, shortest distance. The shortest distance, what does it mean? It means just this part here. Yeah, from here to there. That is the displacement, the shortest distance from starting to the end. Okay, now that is the displacement. The displacement, the shortest way, but the distance, all of the length of path. Okay, now suppose that it will be 5 kilometers, for example. Yeah, now this is the displacement, and also this is the first. That is the first most important difference between distance and displacement. Okay, now what about the direction? Okay, what about the direction? Now the displacement, it will be based on the direction. Now we have a vector quantity. It means we have two things. We have direction and number. That means vector quantity. We have direction and number, because that this one maybe will be positive or negative, but this one all of time it will be positive. We're talking about just numbers. Just numbers. We don't need the direction anymore for distance, but displacement, no. The displacement, we have a vector quantity. It means direction. Vector here, it means direction. Okay, direction with magnitude or with the numbers. Okay, now but here the distance just number. Okay, because that it always positive and it will be scalar quantity. Scalar, it means just numbers. Okay, and we will talk about that another time, inshallah, scalar and vector. But anyways, now, but here, sometimes be positive, some another will be negative displacement, and we talked about that before. But here, this one is a vector quantity displacement. It means it will depend on the direction, Okay. Now, that is the most important point to explain the difference between distance and displacements. Let's talk about some problems to compare between distance and displacement. Excellent. As you see here in this picture, now all of the path of moving. As you see here, all of the path move. Okay, all of the length of path, it will be distance all of the way, all of them it will be distance, but the shortest way it will be displacement. Look over for this picture we have here. Now we have boy and he started from here and ended there. Okay, now this is the start point and this is the end point. How much distance and how much displacement? I don't want you to confuse between both of them. Now someone tell me, mister, now I'm confused. What the distance, what the displacement, which one shortest, which one longer, which one, what all these words, physical, very hard, I can't understand. Wait, relax. Don't cry, relax. Take breath and relax. just memorize one of them. The other one, it will be the opposite. Okay, it will be the other thing. Now just memorize displacement. Displacement have a direction, the shortest way from starting to the end. That is the displacement. The other one, it will be the opposite. That's a way to memorize them. I don't need you to confuse and be angry with me. I don't have a big deal with you to be angry with me, okay? No problem, guys. It's very easy. Just understand. Now, from here to there, it will be displacement, okay? Because of the direction, because of the, it will be a very simple way to move from here to there. Now, the displacement 5 meters for this direction. Okay, and the direction here with angle, but not very important now to speak about angle and like that. Anyways, now displacement 5 meters, but distance 4 plus 3 or add 3, it's equals 7 meters. Okay, now that is this example. Look over another example. Now this boy starts from here to move and come back in the same place again. Now how much displacement here? Now that is the start point and that is the end point. Now both of them the same. End and start, they are the same, because that here displacement is 0. Yeah, displacement here in this drawing here is 0. Okay, now how much distance do we have? 0. Yes, 0. I need you to see that. Yeah, why 0? Because it start and end at the same point. Okay, now what about the distance all of long of path, all of the way he passed through? Okay, yeah, 3 plus 5 7 plus 3 10 plus 5 15, distance 15 meters. Okay, what about this Jiku moves up like that, and this one moves up for 60 meter and moves down again for 30 meter. Okay, can you see that here? Yeah, he started from here and end here. Yeah, started from here and end here. Now this is the start point and that is the end point. That is the initial and that is the final. Don't care about this here. Yeah, I have another picture. I'm drawing this. Okay, anyways, now this is the start point and this is the end point. Okay, now from here to there, how much displacement? Start from the displacement. Don't be confused. Start from displacement, the shortest way from start to the end. Okay, yeah, how much of this? Now each line here, it equals 10 meters. Okay, now 10, 20, 30 meters. Now the displacement here, 30. Okay, what about distance? All of the long of path. Okay, now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and move more, 70, 80, 90. Okay, can you understand that now? All of the long of path, that is the distance. Okay, guys? Yeah, I hope you understand that part, and you have a lot of examples about the distance and displacement to understand more. If you need to understand more, you should practice well and practice a lot. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. If you have any question, please ask me in the comments under the video, and I hope to see you soon, guys. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye. Masala.